Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the Vtiger dashboard, opportunity page, customization. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. Also, if you will have any kind of queries, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com, contact this page. And guys, I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me as well. In this page, my email ID, WhatsApp number and Upwork ID as well. And also, you will get multiple stuff on my blog as well. Now, back to Vtiger. Opportunity page, customization. So guys, see, this is Vtiger 8.4 and here is opportunity page. You will see this is real and dashboard opportunity page. And now I will show you the customize opportunity page that I have done for my demo project. See friends, this is customize opportunity page that I have done. Top section, see guys, also dark and light view as well. And now this is, let me show you this thing I have done like this. See guys, the table seems like this. See, the lots of features inbuilt. I have used their table. See guys, all the things works well. See, filterization works well as well. And now the beautiful toggle section and quick view as well. See, the beautiful model pop-up for quick view and so on. And after it, I will come with a demo for this advanced search as well that I have, or I will create in this demo as well. So please share your views on it, and if you want this kind of customization, then hire me. Two things I must want to show that. Wait, the scroll top as well, and the AI toggle as well. See friends, for demo working. So friends, see, this is the opportunity page that I have customized for my Vtiger with demo details as well. This is real one and this is the demo, but inside Vtiger 8.4. So friends, this is it, and after it I will come with more demos, and please share your views, and till the end, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.